Like, you don't need a 5,000.
I don't know.
All right. So hey, so I'm Chris. Tell me about this Land Cruiser.
There was a kid at the
Got it when I was 17 years old, November of 1965 in Larkspur, California. Even back then in Larkspur, they weren't selling them, but in the showroom, the owner still had a Toyota sedan. They haven't been made in probably 50 years, but there was a Toyota still in there. And we took it out for a test drive, and it went up and down hills. We couldn't believe it. My dad wrote a check for $2,875 for it.
Okay.
And we took it home that day. And I've been driving it ever since.
How cool is that? So, what year is it again?
1965.
1965, original owner.
Original owner.
Repainted twice, you said?
Repainted twice. Engine's rebuilt twice. But it's still the original engine. It's bored 40,000 over. But it's still the F engine, not the 2F, the original F engine.
Oh, okay. Very, very cool. Very nice.
Oh.
Thanks for coming on the trail.
I love this stuff, obviously.
Yep, that's great.
It's a good idea, but then to have these things go out, you know, it was just kind of like, yeah, it's just interesting. Pour cold water on it, cool it down.
Is that factory or is that a little Weber? The lines coming off.
Then goes the fuel pump up and over.
Into the carburetor. Iron boots a little bit.
It's hot today.